Kamusta mga ka-I? Good day, I-learners, and to all the grade 10 students. Welcome to iLearn channel. Our lesson for today is all about derivation of formula in wavelength, energy, and frequency of electromagnetic waves. But before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next video updates. Thank you very much. Let us now proceed. All electromagnetic waves can travel through a medium, but unlike other types of waves, they can also travel in a vacuum or an empty space. They travel in a vacuum at a speed of 3 × 10⁻⁸ meter per second and denoted as c, the speed of light. The wave speed, frequency, and wavelength are related by the following equation. So c stands for the speed of light and its unit is meter per second. F stands for the frequency, its unit is hertz. The lambda stands for the wavelength, its unit is meter. Ngayon po, paano po natin i-derive ang formulang ito? Gagamitin po natin yung triangle method. Kailangan lang po natin ilagay ang mga variable kagaya ng c dyan po sa taas, yung lambda sa kaliwa, at yung f sa kanan. For example, hahanapin natin yung equation ng c. Ang gagawin mo lang po ay tatakpan mo yung c. At ang dalawang variable na matitira ay imumultiply mo. So, ang formula natin ay c is equals to wavelength times frequency. Nakuha po ba natin? Sunod, paano kung kukunin po natin yung wavelength? Tatakpan lang po natin yung wavelength at yung dalawang variable na matitira ay i-divide po natin. So, ganito po natin isusulat yung formula. Wavelength is equals to speed of light divided by the frequency. Nakuha po ba? Paano naman po kung hahanapin natin yung frequency? Tatakpan lang po natin yung frequency at yung dalawang variable na natira ay di-divide din po natin. So, ang pinaka-formula po natin ay frequency is equals to speed of light divided by the wavelength. Madali lang, hindi po ba? Sana ay nakatulong sa inyo ang triangle method na ito. Since all the electromagnetic waves have the same speed, which is equal to the speed of light, as wavelength decreases, the frequency of the wave increases. Every type of electromagnetic wave carries a specific amount of energy, the discovery of which was made possible by a scientist named Max Planck. He was able to calculate the exact multiplier to get the energy of a photon carried by an electromagnetic wave. It is called Planck's constant with a value of 6.63 × 10⁻34 joules second. The constant value can be used to get the energy of an electromagnetic wave using this formula, where E stands for the wave energy that uses joules, H stands for the Planck's constant that uses joules second, and F stands for the frequency that uses hertz. Paano po natin i-derive ang formulang ito? Kagaya po ng una nating itinuro kanina, ilalagay lang po natin yung mga variable, yung E sa taas, yung H sa kaliwa, at yung F naman sa kanan. Kung halimbawa kukunin po natin ang formula ng E, tatakpan lang po natin yan at yung dalawang variable na natitira ay i-multiply natin. So, the wave energy is equals to H times F. Nakuha po ba? Sunod, halimbawa hinahanap mo natin yung H o yung Planck's constant, tatakpan lang po natin yan at yung dalawang variable na matitira ay i-divide natin. So, ang ating formula ay Planck's constant is equal to energy divided by the frequency. Pero tandaan po natin, sa ibang mga problem, hindi na po ito hinahanap dahil constant na po ito. Ibig sabihin ng constant, nandyan na po yan, given na po yan, hindi na po nagbabago yan. Okay po? Maliwanag po ba yon? Okay po. Sunod, kung hinahanap po natin yung f o yung frequency, tatakpan lang po natin yan. Ang matitirang variable ay atin pong i-divide. So, ang ating formula ay frequency is equals to energy divided by the Planck's constant. Madali lang, hindi po ba? Sana ay natutunan ninyo ang formulang ito. Ngayon naman po, yung una at ang pangalawang equation na aking itinuro sa inyo ay gagamitin natin para sa tinatawag na combined formula. Ano po ba yung unang formula natin? C is equals to wavelength times frequency at yung pangalawa naman ay energy is equals to Planck's constant times the frequency. Kapag kinumbine po natin yan, ganito na po yung magiging equation niya. E is equals to Planck's constant times the speed of light divided by the wavelength, where E stands for the wave energy, H stands for the Planck's constant, C stands for the speed of light, and lambda stands for the wavelength. You should always remember the units used: joules, joule second, meter per second, and meter. Ngayon, paano naman po natin i-derive ang formulang ito? Ang gagamitin naman po nating method is yung tinatawag kong rectangular method, na kung saan ilalagay lang po natin yung mga variable kagaya ng E, dyan po sa taas, yung H sa baba, yung lambda sa taas, at yung C sa baba. Ganyan po natin dapat ito isulat. Kung halimbawa pong hinahanap po natin yung E, tatakpan lang po natin yung E, and then yung dalawang variable na nasa baba ay imumultiply natin, at yung variable na nasa taas at saka sa baba ay di-divide lang po natin. Kaya magiging final formula po natin ay E is equal to H times C divided by the wavelength. Nakuha po ba natin? Tandaan po natin, nag-multiply po muna tayo bago tayo nag-divide. Sunod, paano kung hinahanap po natin yung H? Tatakpan lang po natin yung H. Sunod po natin gagawin, i-multiply po natin yung dalawang variable na yan bago po natin i-divide. So, paano po natin susulat yan? Planck's constant is equals to energy times wavelength divided by the speed of light. Pero gaya po ng sinasabi ko kanina, yung Planck's constant ay hindi na po hinahanap dahil nandyan na po yan at given na po yan. Maliwanag po ba yun? Okay. Paano po kung ang hinahanap natin ay speed of light? Actually, hindi na po natin kailangan hanapin ang speed of light, no? Dahil given na rin po yan at ang value po niyan ay 3 times 10 raised to 8 power meter per second. Pero just in case, paano po natin gagamitin ang rectangle method na ito para mahanap yung formula niyan? So, tatakpan lang po natin yung C, and then, imumultiply po natin yung dalawang variable sa taas bago natin i-divide sa variable na nasa baba. Paano po natin isusulat yan? Ganito po. Speed of light is equals to energy times the wavelength divided by the Planck's constant. Maliwanag po ba? Okay po. Panghuli, paano kung hahanapin po natin yung wavelength? Tatakpan lang po natin yung wavelength, and then, imumultiply po natin yung dalawang variable sa baba at i-divide natin siya yung H doon sa E. So, paano po natin susulat ang formulang ito? Ganito po. Wavelength is equals to Planck's constant times the speed of light divided by the energy. Nakuha po ba? Sana po ay naging maliwanag sa inyo at sana ay nakatulong sa inyo ang tinatawag kong rectangular method. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at sana'y nakatulong ako sa inyo. Huwag po ninyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell. Maraming salamat. Paalam!